I'm going to show you how to sew a simple and practical jar grip. You'll need a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch square of cotton fabric, a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch piece of grip material or shelf liner, a ruler, a heat erasable fabric marker, and 3/4 inch bias tape. First, take your cotton fabric and use your ruler and heat erasable marker to draw diagonal lines from corner to corner, spacing the lines about 1 inch apart. These lines will create a simple quilted pattern. Next, place your cotton fabric right side up on top of your grip material. Clip or pin the layers together so they stay in place. Now sew directly along all the lines you just drew. This quilting step secures the layers together and gives the jar grip a nice finished look. Once all the lines are sewn, trim the piece into a rounded square by cutting smooth curves on all 4 corners. Now it's time to attach the bias tape. Open one folded edge of the bias tape and line that raw edge up with the raw edge of your fabric piece, with right sides together. Clip it in place as you go around the shape. Sew all the way around, following the crease line in the bias tape, which is about 1/4 inch from the edge. Next, wrap the bias tape around the edge of the project to the back side, making sure all the raw edges are fully enclosed inside the tape. Clip or pin it in place. Finally, sew a top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edge where the bias tape meets the fabric. This stitch secures the bias tape neatly on both the front and back. And that's it. Your jar grip is finished. It's simple, practical, and even machine washable.